What are the best ways to remove dust from home? Updated. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to remove dust from your home. Dust can be a real nuisance, not just for allergy sufferers, but for everyone. It can accumulate quickly, and it's not always easy to get rid of. But don't worry, we got some tips to help you out. 1. Vacuum regularly. One of the most effective ways to remove dust is to vacuum your home regularly. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter to capture even the smallest dust particles. Focus on high traffic areas and areas with soft surfaces like carpets and rugs. 2. Dust with microfiber cloths. Microfiber cloths are a great tool for dusting. They attract and hold onto dust particles, rather than just pushing them around. Use them on furniture, blinds, and other surfaces to quickly and easily remove dust. 3. Use an air purifier. An air purifier can help remove dust from the air in your home, which can be especially helpful for allergy sufferers. Look for a purifier with a HEPA filter for the best results. 4. Wash bedding and soft furnishings. Bedding and soft furnishings, like curtains and throw pillows, can be a major source of dust. Wash them regularly to keep them clean and dust-free. 5. Don't forget about hard-to-reach areas. Dust can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas like ceiling fans, light fixtures, and behind furniture. Use a long-handled duster or a vacuum attachment to reach these areas and remove the dust. Conclusion: dust can be a pesky problem in any home, but with a little effort, it's easy to keep it under control. By vacuuming regularly, using microfiber cloths, using an air purifier, washing bedding and soft furnishings, and reaching hard-to-reach areas, you can keep your home clean and dust-free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.